Welcome to our cosmic voyage, where today's journey will unravel the immense scale of the universe in which we reside. As we set out, picture our Earth, a tiny blue dot floating in a vast cosmic ocean. This small sphere, teeming with life, is our starting point as we venture out to measure the boundaries of the cosmos. From here, let us embark on a fascinating expedition to fathom the true extent of the universe. Earth to the Moon. Let's begin with our nearest celestial neighbor, the Moon. Imagine if you could drive to the Moon in a car traveling at a steady speed of 100 kilometers per hour. The distance to cover would be a staggering 384,000 kilometers. This journey would take you over 160 days of continuous driving, day and night, to complete. Such a voyage would make our daily commutes pale in comparison. Viewing Earth from the Moon offers a profound perspective. It appears as a delicate blue orb hanging in the infinite blackness of space, reminding us of our planet's fragility and the unity of life that it cradles. Earth to the Sun. Next, we scale up significantly to the center of our solar system, the Sun. This fiery star lies about 150 million kilometers from Earth, a distance known as 1 astronomical unit. Light racing across this void takes approximately 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us. If you were to undertake this journey in a commercial jet, it would take about 19 years of non-stop flight. The vastness of this single stretch within our solar system begins to hint at the colossal scale of the cosmos. Earth to Mars. Turning our sights to the red planet Mars, we encounter distances that vary dramatically due to the elliptical orbits of both Earth and Mars around the Sun. At its closest approach, Mars is roughly 54.6 million kilometers away, while at its farthest, it can be as much as 401 million kilometers from Earth. This variability presents significant challenges for space travel, affecting everything from mission durations to fuel requirements. Mars, with its stark, rust-colored landscapes and towering volcanoes, serves not only as a beacon of exploration, but also as a marker of the daunting distances within our own solar neighborhood. Outer solar system, Neptune. Journeying to the outer edges of our solar system, we reach Neptune. This distant world orbits the Sun at a colossal distance of about 4.5 billion kilometers. It takes sunlight, the fastest thing we know, over 4 hours to travel this vast distance. From such a remote vantage point, the Sun appears as just another bright star, and the Earth is invisible to the naked eye, hidden in the Sun's glare. Neptune's icy blue appearance belies the hostile, freezing conditions that reign there, with fierce winds and a deep blue atmosphere, illustrating the diversity and extremity of planetary climates in our solar system. Voyager 1. Our journey extends beyond the planets with Voyager 1, the farthest human-made object from Earth. Since its launch in 1977, it has traveled over 22 billion kilometers, entering interstellar space. The spacecraft's enduring silence, punctuated only by the faint signals it sends back, speaks of its lonely voyage into the unknown. The pale blue dot image it captured, showing Earth as a mere speck of light lost in the cosmic sea, underscores the profound isolation and tiny scale of our home in the vast universe. The Oort Cloud. Further still lies the Oort Cloud, a hypothetical shell of icy objects that marks the edge of the Sun's influence and the beginning of interstellar space. Stretching up to 100,000 astronomical units from the Sun, this distant region is thought to be the source of long-period comets that occasionally visit our inner solar system. The concept of the Oort Cloud pushes the boundary of our solar system to almost 2 light-years away, enveloping our solar neighborhood in a vast, icy embrace. Alpha Centauri. Our next landmark is Alpha Centauri, the closest star system to our own, located 4.4 light-years from us. This multi-star system, featuring primarily the twin stars of Alpha Centauri A and B, and the dimmer Proxima Centauri, is our closest galactic neighbor, even with the fastest spacecraft currently conceivable. A journey to Alpha Centauri would take over 20,000 years, showcasing the immense challenge of interstellar travel and the vast distances that separate even the closest of stellar neighbors. Milky Way Galaxy. Expanding our view to the Milky Way, our home galaxy, we find ourselves within a sprawling city of stars, gas, and dust, stretching about 100,000 light-years in diameter. If we were to travel across the galaxy at the speed of light, it would take a century to traverse its expanse. The radio signals that humanity has been emitting for over 100 years have created a bubble around our planet, extending roughly 100 light-years in every direction. Yet this bubble is just a tiny fraction of our galactic neighborhood, barely noticeable on the galactic scale. yet it represents the entirety of human electronic communication with the universe. Intergalactic space. Venturing beyond our galaxy, we enter the realm of intergalactic space. Here, we find the local group, a collection of more than 50 galaxies spread across approximately 10 million light-years. This space is filled with vast voids and brilliant galaxies, each with its own myriad of stars and celestial phenomena. Our Milky Way, along with the Andromeda Galaxy and numerous smaller galaxies, forms a gravitational fellowship, drifting through the cosmos together. Virgo supercluster. Within this cosmic landscape, our local group is part of the Virgo supercluster, which contains thousands of galaxies spread across a diameter of about 110 million light-years. As we consider these immense distances, our own galaxy starts to seem like just one small leaf on a vast tree of galactic clusters. The supercluster itself is a mere part of even larger structures that make up the fabric of the universe. Laniakea supercluster. Zooming out further, we encounter the Laniakea supercluster, an even greater congregation of galaxies that includes the Virgo supercluster and extends over 500 million light-years. This supercluster is drawn together by the Great Attractor, a mysterious gravitational point that influences the motion of hundreds of thousands of galaxies. Here, amidst this enormous structure, the scale of the universe expands dramatically, encompassing myriad galaxies, each with countless stars and potentially habitable planets. Observable universe. At the largest scale, we reach the edge of the observable universe. Here, the universe stretches about 93 billion light-years from side to side. Due to the cosmic expansion, parts of the universe are moving away from us faster than the speed of light, making them fundamentally unreachable and unobservable. This expansion suggests that the actual size of the universe could be much larger, potentially infinite, with regions far beyond what we can observe or even comprehend. As we conclude this epic narrative of cosmic scales, from our blue planet to the distant reaches of the observable universe, we are confronted with a humbling reality. Our universe is vast beyond imagination, filled with wonders and mysteries that transcend our current understanding. Each step we take in exploring these depths not only broadens our knowledge but deepens our appreciation for the intricate and majestic cosmos we are a part of. Thank you for joining me on this profound journey across the universe. As we gaze up at the night sky, let us marvel at the vastness that envelops us and dream of the endless possibilities that await our discovery.